morning. In this lecture, we will see about the compression member design problem. Myself, Dr. J. Sahai Ruban, Professor and Head, Department of Civil Engineering, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. Find the suitable design for a rolled steel beam section column to carry an axial load of 1100 kN. The column is 4 meter long and adequately in position but not in direction at both ends. Given data, axial load is given 1100 kN. The length of the column L is equal to 4 meter. As per the condition given in the problem, we have to first find out the effective length. We have to choose the value from table number 11 of IS 800-2007. From we find the L effective is equal to 4 meter. Permissible stress we have to assume as FCD is equal to 145 Newton per mm square. This is an assumption. If you want, you have to take 140, you have to take 140. Finally, we have to check whether the section is safe enough to carry the load. So from that as a permissible stress, we have to find out the net sectional area. That will be is equal to P by FCD. So we have to get the value as 7586.20 mm square. So we have to choose one rolled steel section. In this problem, we have to choose ISMP 400 at 604.3 Newton per meter from the steel table. These are the property of the section. We have to choose from the steel table. Area 7846 mm square. RZ is equal to 161 mm. H is equal to 400 mm. BF is equal to 140. TF is equal to 16 mm. So first we have to find out that condition. Already we discussed in the table number 10. There is a where that buckling class will be acted. So we have to find out H by BF value, that is less than or equal to 1.2. So we are getting the values more than 1.2. So TF is equal to 16. This is less than or equal to 40. From that, it is clear that the buckling class along YY axis and the buckling curve actually is lies in B. So we have to find out the actual slenderness ratio KL by R. So actual slenderness ratio KL by R, that is 1 into 4000 divided by 161.5 equal to 24.76. So from we have to find out that FCD value. So we know the value of slenderness ratio, that is 24.76, and Fy is equal to 250 Newton per mm square. For a buckling class B, we have to choose the table number 9B of IS 800-2007. So KL by R value 20, that FCD value is 225. For KL value for 30, 216. We want the value for 24.76. By interpolating these things, we will finally find out that value of 24.76. This is the interpolation. So FCD is equal to 225 minus 24.76 minus 20 divided by 10 into 225 minus 216. So finally we will get a value 220.716 Newton per mm square. Then we have to find out the load carrying capacity. So load carrying capacity is equal to FCD into area provided. So already we find out that FCD value, that is 220.716 into area provided. From the steel table we find out one value, that is 7846. So that will be equal to 1731737.73 Newton. So that is 1731.73 kilonewton. That value is more than whatever that value given, that is load is 1100. So the section is safe enough to carry this load. So that FCD value, firstly we have to assume one value, then we have to find out the FCD value from assuming the buckling class. Finally we have to take that value of FCD from steel codal provision. Then we have to find out that load carrying capacity of that actual member. That value should be more than that load, what load provided in the question. In case the load is high, that load carrying capacity is low now, we have to redesign the section. What we have to do, we have to do the FCD value you have to increase. Okay, then that try for another section. So when that section is greater than that actual load, finally it will conclude as a safe. Thank you so much.